Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to Let's Cook with Ed. Today I bring you this yummy fabulous chicken stew. I hope you guys will enjoy this. This is so easy and I'll talk you through the step by step. If you'd like to know how I made this delicious chicken stew, please watch this video to the end, and also don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's get started. Okay guys, so for this recipe I'm using bell pepper. I'm using red bell pepper, guys. I love bell pepper, you guys know it. I've got some spring onions, onion, garlic and ginger paste. Here I've got some thyme, all-purpose seasoning, salt, nutmeg and seasoning cubes. I've got some tomato puree, 300 grams of tomato paste and vegetable oil, and not to forget some hard chicken. This chicken, it is Wilkie brand chicken. I usually use poulet because I just think it's cleaner inside, but they didn't have any poulet left, so I thought I'm gonna give it a shot with Wilkie, and to be honest, it was not bad. It was actually clean. And this is not a sponsored video, this is just the brands I like to use, and most Congolese people use these brands to make their chicken stew. So I cleaned this already and cut it down. If you'd like to see a video on how to do that, please see the description box below. As I said, this is hard chicken, so before we cook it, we have to boil it so it can get softer, and it just makes everything easier and it tastes super yummy. So to do that, I'm adding about 1 liter of water. So you basically need to add water just above the chicken, and I'm going to season it with 1 chicken cube, a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon of dry thyme and nutmeg, and a bit of salt. Also going to add a teaspoon of garlic and ginger. Guys, I love it. The taste it brings to a dish is just beautiful. It's literally magical. You're boiling the chicken for about 45 minutes until it's soft. Do check on it every now and then, give it a stir if it needs to, and don't be afraid to add some water if it dries out. So guys, while the chicken is boiling, I'm going to keep myself busy and prep my vegetables and chop them. I soaked it in water. Thank you so much for one of my subscribers. Sorry, I forgot your name. Gave me this advice to soak it in water so I don't cry, so I don't have tears when I'm chopping them. And trust me, it actually works. So thank you so much. Now I'm chopping them not too small because I'm gonna blend them. This is just to make it easier to blend it, and I've washed it already. So as you can see, I chopped my onion. I'm going to chop my bell pepper as well as this spring onion. As you can see, all the vegetables has been chopped. I'm going to add it into the blender. I'm also going to add 300 grams of chopped in tomatoes. The spring onion went inside it. So we're going to close it and blend until it's smooth. As you can see, guys, it's nice and smooth. So I'm just going to leave this aside until the chicken is ready, and we're going to mix everything together. So after 45 minutes, here we go, voila. It is nice and soft. You can taste it as well. If it's soft enough, then you're good to go. If it's not soft enough, feel free to leave it for a little bit longer. This stage is literally my least favorite part, when we fry it. The reason being is that I just don't like it when it starts to jump. It literally scares me. My mom said, if you want to eat something, you have to cook. So if you want something, you have to go for it. So if you want to eat, you have to cook. So I want to eat this, so I have no choice but to fry it. So this is what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm pouring some vegetable oil into the pan. You don't have to use vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use sunflower oil, any frying oil basically. So once the oil is hot, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium. It was on high before. I'm reducing it to medium so it don't jump too much. You don't get too excited. So I just try to minimize the jumping. Okay, here we go. What I mean, guys, this is not just bubbling up, this is literally jumping. I'm actually far away right now. I'm frying them until it's golden. Please do not get rid of the chicken stock because we're going to use it. So as you can see, I've turned it over, frying it on the other side for a little bit. Then I'm going to turn off the heat and move on to the next step. So guys, before I make the sauce, I'm going to recycle the oil that I used to fry the chicken. I've cleaned the pan. You can use a different pan, a cleaner one. So I'm going to pour the oil back in. Add enough oil to fry the sauce basically. So I'm just leaving that to get hot. I'm going to add a bit of tomato puree, about 1.5 tablespoons of tomato puree inside the mixture that we made. This way it makes it easier to fry, and it just avoids it from burning and remove the sourness quicker. So once it's hot, I'm going to reduce the heat to about medium and I'm going to fry it. So I'm adding everything inside. Guys, this is not your typical Congolese chicken stew, you know. This is different. Usually with Congolese chicken stew, we don't blend the vegetables. We just fry them, and we fry the onion. We don't blend. There's no blending as far as I'm aware, you know. I'm not going to season it much because we've seasoned the chicken. So with that being said, I'm only adding half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. You can add salt as well if you like. So I've got this on medium heat. I'm going to leave it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, but do stir it every now and then. So guys, after 10 minutes, here we go. I'm going to turn off the heat. As you can see, to know that your tomato sauce is cooked, you see the oil coming up at the top like this, and the oil has blended in with the tomato, so it's basically the same color with the tomato. And you can also taste it to see if it's not sour, and if it's not, then you are ready to go, guys. This is ready. Now I'm going to mix everything together. So I'm mixing in the tomato sauce with the chicken stock. Remember, I did say make sure you don't throw it away because we're going to use it. So I'm mixing in the tomato sauce inside. I don't have the heat on at the moment, so I'm just adding that in and mix it together. I'm going to turn on the heat. I'm also adding the chicken that we fried inside. So add it all in there. Then mix it well together, honey. Yeah, look at that. It's looking good already, but it's not done. I'm just gonna taste. One thing I'll say, when you're cooking, make sure you taste your food and see if anything's missing for you to add. So this is good. Oh my god. If there's salt missing, anything like that, you can always add it. I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic and ginger because I just like to proper taste the ginger, especially in a stew. It's just amazing. So mix it all in. Oh my days, it smells amazing. It's making me so happy. So now the heat is on high. I'm going to add a little bit of water, not too much. This depends on the consistency that you like. And just mix it in again, mix it in. Once you add water, taste it and see if you need to add some salt or if anything missing, feel free to add it. So now, as you know, this is the last step. My dinner is almost ready. So I'm leaving this on medium heat for 20 minutes. So when it's done, et voila, c'est prêt à manger. Guys, let's just take a minute and just have a look at this chicken stew. Isn't it just amazing? It actually tastes even better, trust me. If you did try it, please let me know what you think. I would like to know what you think of the recipes, what you served it with. I would like to know all of that stuff. Guys, you can serve this with so many things. I previously had it with boiled rice. It was so delicious. You can also have it with plantain, with potatoes, spaghetti, yes, with so many things, guys, even with fufu. And today, as you can see, I'm serving mine with spinach. I've got a recipe on how to make this spinach. I'll leave it in the description box below. And I'm serving it with wanga. Why is it so dark? But I'm sure it's gonna taste nice. And of course, pilipili zanga dina kote. Oh my days, I'm gonna enjoy this, guys. If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll speak to you all on the next one. Bye bye.